Do you weep for the camera? Weep. Little dap. Big weep, bigger dap.
Nice. Good job.
Welcome to my creed. You got little eggy boys. Little eggy boys. Goat. Orange. Oh. This.
What?
Orange boy. What we got?
That fruit smells
Coat
gross.
sauce. Coat sauce.
We have
That's the real question.
I dare you to dump it on your tongue.
I want to. I can't.
I'll open it. There. You got it, Emma. Okay, give it here, big boy.
Down the hatch, as my mama said.
Put more in the tongue, just dump it. There. Oh my gosh. Bad idea.
Ooh, sour. Sour boy. Give me tap. Okay. What else we have?
The vinegar.
Vinegar. Hey, apple cider vinegar. For big boys.
Drink water.
I get.
Drink water. Oh my god.
Are you okay? No. Give me water.
Where's the cups? Or just put it in your mouth.
Why did I do that?
Well then, do you need a cup? That smells. Why'd you do that?
I don't know.
That was a dumb idea.
I legit couldn't breathe.
I could hear.
Going. Oh my god.
It smells gross now.
I know.
Clean up your mess.
You betrayed me.
You got it on your shirt.
That's water, Emma.
Okay, well, you got water on your shirt.
What else we have? We have
Don't put any more things in your mouth.
light mayonnaise. Won't be putting that in my mouth.
Put that away. Put the vinegar away.
Ketchup.
Put that in your mouth. Yeah. Real good.
Oh yeah. Syrup. Light. Aunt Maples. My favorite.
Put it away.
Ugh, my throat feels weird now.
Yeah, because you drank. You took a swig.
I need more water.
Oh, bad idea.
Fancy boy.
You could have died.
No, I would not.
Yeah. You could have smacked your head on the counter and killed yourself. This is going to
make fun noise. Can't drink today.
or any day.
Yeah, true.
Oh, I'm not even focused on you. You're spilling everywhere. Sarah. I'm going to end the video now.
Do not.
Oh.
You got still stuff.
I almost got
You
it.
dropped it, Emma.
I didn't. I almost.
Elsa, stop being concerned.
Yeah, of course she's gonna be concerned. You nearly died.
I don't feel good, Emma. My stomach hurts.
You drank vinegar and
I drank a lot. It was up to here.
you drank vinegar and hot sauce. It's not good.
No.
If you need to throw up, go in the bathroom.
I know what you want. You want raspberry vinaigrette.
Ugh.
Shake up the boy. Should I chug this for you?
No,
Garlic. Some
just eat that.
pumpkin butter that's been in our fridge for 5 years.
Eat the pumpkin butter.
Ew.
Oh my god. Did that burp taste bad?
Yeah, not great. I want carrots. Got so many carrots.
I want carrot.
Let me open it up first, Emma. Behind you, scissors. Get it. Never mind, got it. You're no help.
I want carrot. Oh, crunchy. Oh,
Not good.
they're not very good. I don't like it. I'm gonna eat it. Actually, no, they're fine. This is the first taste.
The first bite was the worst. I dare you drink the apple cider vinegar, Emma.
I dare me to not.
No, I dare you too.
Food's been almost 6 minutes long so far. Finish up what's in the fridge.
All right. We also have some lemonade. I made it myself. Leftover fried rice from last night. Oh, what up? We have little sausage boys. Premium. Doesn't say. Oh, these are raw. That's the way I like it. Thicker sausage boy.
Look at that thick sausage.
Thick boy. Smell that.
I don't.
Summer sausage.
Oh, that smells good.
We'll leave this boy out. We're gonna eat him. Yeah. Got almond milk.
Grec yogurt.
Got Greek yogurt.
That made me happy.
Vanilla flavor. Chunky salsa. Parmesan. Cream cheese. No, I don't think it's cream cheese. I got that's Crisco.
Okay, are we done?
Yes, we are.
Say goodbye. Bye-bye.